Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 30,071 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any of the flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. We're going to do a quick test drive here. Non-smoker, beautiful, beautiful interior, and these seats are incredibly comfy and super soft leather. Get up to speed really quick with this. Sounds amazing, shifts really nice. We're gonna put it in just the comfort mode. I think that's what we're already in, but I love the carbon on the wheel. Like I said, that flickering, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Sounds so good. Alignment feels perfect. Steering's nice and straight. Brakes feel solid. No complaints with drivability whatsoever. And then when you turn, your bolsters press against you to keep you seated center, and it's really, really nice. Welcome to Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car does not have any PPF paint protection film on it anywhere, and this tire, that tire, and the back left are date code 2025. This one has a date code of 2026, and it still has the sticker on it, so it is brand new. Looking at this wheel, overall in great condition. Like I said, date code on the tire 2025. It's in the later of the year. Looking at the tread, looks amazing, and you still have those little bumps on it. So these are all pretty much brand new, but the back right one is brand new. You can see those little round bumps. So it's still a really fresh tire. You have a rock chip there. Like I said, no PPF on here. It's a beautiful pearl white. It looks good. Side mirror nice and clean. Looking around that trim, what I can see looks good. Door looks nice. All of that's clean. You do have some scratches in here. Something was kind of rubbing on that. You have a scratch there. Little notch in the plastic with some light scratches. Got another scratch right there. Those are pretty subtle. Like, you don't feel it with your nails, so it's almost like markings. Something that kind of marked it up, but it's still, I can feel the texture in the plastic that it kind of clipped it. Here on this wheel, you do have some rash right there. Going around, I see more rash there. The rest of that wheel looks good. Like I said, this one is 2026 date code, and you still got the sticker down there. Nice and clean. Got a rock chip here. Got a rock chip there. Looking at the edge, all of that looks good. Very clean front end there. Just a couple small rock chips. That flare looks good. Fender's nice and clean. Date code 2025 on this as well. I see a little marking there on the wheel. Crazy looking wheels. That is a scratch, and it does catch my nail. And it starts about here and makes its way up. The deepest part right there being white. It's hard to see it, but I kind of follow that line. Now you could paint correct a lot of the marking out, I bet, but you're still going to have the indentation in the line, and it's still going to be scratched, missing paint. That looks good, nice and clean. Rest of that door looks good. That door looks nice. They're gonna have some little impacts here. Very common on that wide part. The rest of that upper section looks good. Now right here you do have some deep gashes, and it looks like they tried to touch it up at some point and they used the wrong paint. That is pretty deep. And then you have some gashes right here, and that did go through the paint. Looking at that wheel, overall in great condition. Here on the tire carrier, a couple little markings. Upper section, that looks good. Back bumper, I do see a couple little chips there on the top side. Otherwise, it looks good. All right, checking out the interior. Look at this color combo. That looks wicked. Very, very nice. All the carbon, non-smoker, really, really nice interior. Upper section looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Heated cool seats, memory seating. Now if you look at the stitching here, just from everyday use, it's not as vibrant and white like it is here. So you can see the discoloration. Carbon looks good. You do have some markings right here. Lower side looks nice. Still have the plastic here on that trim. Carpets look good. You're gonna have wear on that bolster and some slight discoloration. And you do have a scratch right there in the leather. Kind of cut it just a little bit. And at that bolster, a couple light marks, but it's very subtle. The rest of that seat looks good, and this leather is incredibly soft. Alcantara here on the edge, carbon on the bottom and top. Looking at the Alcantara, it is matted down in some spots, just pretty common when you put that on a high impact area like this that you touch all the time. Upper side of the dash looks beautiful. All of this looks good. And look at all the carbon surrounding that trim. Really, really nice. Beautiful console. Here on that door panel, beautiful carbon. Of course, the stitching here was bright white like this. See how bright white that is? And of course, you're gonna have the dirt and the wear over the years on that grab handle. Memory seating, heated cool seats, all that good stuff. That panel overall in great condition. Looking at the trim, you still have the plastic on it. It looks like it has not been fully peeled off. There's a dent right there. Floor mat looks good. A little bit of wear and discoloration on the edge, just given the color of the seats. Other than that, that bolster looks amazing. Upper side looks good. Nice and clean. That stitching looks good. Glove box, that looks amazing. All the leather up here is perfect. Like this little detail there, looks cool. Got the sunroof. I mean, really nice on this side. Here on the back right door panel, that looks good. Same thing with the stitching. It's kind of discolored over the years. Carbon looks amazing. The lower side of the door looks good. Illuminated trim. Love the seats back here. Couple light markings. Super soft. Middle looks good. Back here looks nice. A couple light scratches on that plastic. Otherwise looks good. Looking at the back left door panel, upper section looks amazing. Carbon's nice and clean. Got the heated seats. Trim looks good. Once again, the seats back here look amazing. Look like they've never really been used. Really, really clean. Okay, you got the diamond pattern stitching here. Carbon. Do see some discoloration on the stitching here. So yeah, it's kind of darker. Looks like it had some dirt in here. But it's very subtle. No floor liner in here. Carpets look good, nice and clean. Got your shade. First aid kit. Locks for the wheels. Okay, scanning through the engine bay. Looks good. All the carbon. Looks amazing. Here on the underhood liner. Looks nice.